guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have lots of food here. So before heading to Hot Springs, Arkansas, we stopped by here and having a lunch in Brown's Country Store and Restaurant located in Bentonville, Arkansas. And this is an old-timey landmark with a gift and candy shops and a large buffet. So this is my husband's favorite buffet restaurant. So as you can see, they have lots of variety of salad and veggies options. And here's the macaroni, coleslaw, potato salad, and they have cornbread and beans. Oh, he loves beans. So this is my first time here, so I'm so happy that my husband's bring me here because I like the atmosphere and they play a country music while you sit and eat your food. So they have lots of kinds of fried food, and this is a chicken dumpling soup. There's gravy and mashed potato. And they have fried chicken. I think this is the best buffet I ever eaten. And I will be returning here whenever possible. So they have French fries. They have fried green tomato. That's his favorite too. And they have catfish, fried catfish. This is a excellent wide selections of southern food. And it's a good place getting together with you have your friends or your relatives, and I'm sure you will love the foods here like what we are. So that's it guys, and we're ready to eat now. So here's some ketchups, barbecue sauce, so yummy. So guys, after having a great brunch in Brown's Country Restaurants, which is they have a really amazing food. So finally, we're here in Hot Springs. It's a city in Cuchita Mountains of Arkansas. It's known for naturally heated springs, many of them in Hot Springs National Park, which is I'm going to show you that park. And of course, the bathhouse row that has 8 bathhouses from the 19th and 20th centuries. This is a beautiful history and of course amazing place to visit. It's very interesting to walk down the bathhouse row and see the different bathhouses. Visiting each was a walk back in the history and of course interesting to learn about the past. So come and join me guys.
Your destination will be on the right.
And he did that by way of like following photos of the old Roman like Greek bathhouses, right? So as you move through this building, you'll see a lot of that old Greek and Roman mythology incorporated throughout. Starting with the stained glass ceiling, that's titled the daughter of Neptune. So Neptune was the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Poseidon, the god of the oceans and river.
The downtown section of Hot Springs Creek was enclosed with a vaulted arch and covered with earth by 1887. There was now room for a wide sidewalk and landscaping along Bathhouse Road. Because of fire concerns, brick, stone, and iron began replacing wood as building materials, and the town began to look as if it were here to stay. It was quickly losing its Wild West appearance and reputation. There were now telephones and electric streetlights. People came to the springs to bathe away their ailments, be it rheumatism, syphilis, malaria, stomach disorders, or anything else that hurt. For some, this was their last hope to be cured. But many came just to improve their health and relax, and for them, the baths were never disappointing. competition to attract customers was fierce among the hotels, bathhouses, and doctors, and every means was used to lure them to their establishments. Men known as drummers worked the trains to hot springs. For each new customer they persuaded into visiting certain businesses, they received a commission.
Really, really nice. And now they make it a restaurant. Oh, come on.
Chad, where are you going?
Wow. You wanna eat?
Oh yeah, we need to go. Yeah, for sure. I've got a window spot. Call when you're ready.
Oh my goodness. So guys, this is one of the best things to do while you're here in Hot Springs, which is the Hot Springs Mountain Tower. The tower elevator will transport you to 216 feet to the observation decks, where you enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Ochita Mountains, Hot Springs Mountain, and Diamond Lakes area, all at 1,256 feet above sea level. So there is two ways to get here. First, take the beautiful scenic drive to the parking lot, which is what we do, or hike the 1.5-mile trail from the Fountain Street. The Hot Springs Tower admissions is $8 for adults and $4.50 for children, and for seniors $7, or for military $6. So this tower has a beautiful new look, and I'm sure you will love here and you will enjoy the breathtaking view, which I'm showing you right now. And this is one of my memorable experience here in my Hot Springs trip.
To the southwest. The 8 bathhouses, along with the National Park Service Administration building at the end of the row and the hot springs that give the area its name, form the heart of Hot Springs National Park. Along the row of buildings, you can find public fountains at which all are welcome to fill their own containers with the spring water. The park also includes more than 20 miles of nature trails. Stop in at the Fordyce Bathhouse Visitor Center on Bathhouse Road to get a map.